Good morning, children. I hope you're all good and have been having a good week. So this morning I'm going to be making banana pancakes. Now, you will need 2 really ripe bananas, and you'll know they're ripe because they'll be really dark and spotty on the outside. And then you're going to put them into your bowl and then mash them with a fork. They're really soft, so they're so easy to mash. Mash. And you can mash it up as chunky as you want or as thin as you want. I like mine in the middle. So I like a little bit of banana chunks in my pancakes, but not too much. And there we go. Should be nice and mashed. And now we are going to add our egg. Just one egg. And we're going to add a dash of mixed spice. You can add cinnamon if you like as well, or you don't have to add any at all if you don't like spices. But this one is a blend of ground spices. We've got cassia, coriander seeds and nutmeg. So all those Christmassy types of spices we're going to put in there because I really like them. And then just a drop of vanilla extract. Mine is Madagascar vanilla extract. And then we're going to give that a good mix, so make sure we break up the egg. And then we should have something that looks like this. It's a big sloppy mess at the moment. It doesn't look very yummy, but I promise you it will taste super yummy. So now to our banana mixture, we're going to add 35 grams of self-raising flour. I'm using a digital scale, but any scale will work. And I think it should come to about 2 tablespoons, but we shall see. So you have 1 tablespoon here. And it is 2 tablespoons. There we go. And then we're just going to give that a good mix. I think I'm going to switch to my spoon instead, so the flour doesn't go everywhere. Got to make sure we scrape the sides of the bowl as well. We want to get all of it mixed together nicely. And there we go. We have got our banana pancake mixture. So now I'm going to head over to the stove and start cooking these. Hello children. Now welcome to the next part of my video. So now we're going to start cooking, so you will need to grab an adult to help you. So I have got some cooking spray, but you can use some olive oil, some sunflower oil, or some coconut oil, whatever you've got at home. And I've just got a small pan. I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to spray my pan with some cooking spray. We're going to let that get nice and hot. So now your pan should be nice and hot after about a minute, and we're going to start putting our pancakes in now. So you'll need about 2 tablespoons for each pancake. And my pan's quite small, so I think I can only fit 3 pancakes in here, so I'll have to do the rest in the next batch. Okay, so we're going to leave those to cook for now, and then I'll be back in a few minutes to show you what they're looking like, and we're going to flip them. So my pancakes have been cooking for a little while, and as you can see, they're starting to get little bubbles on the top, so that means they're ready to flip now. So grab a spatula, and we're going to flip them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I did a good job there. Look at my lovely pancake. It's all golden brown. Now I'm going to flip the other one. It's a little bit tricky, this part. And there we